Occasionally we want a knot which is secure and will not slip even with one throw. Therefore we can tie 2 throws as seen here and snug that down, and then return by 2 more throws. And although we don't have a very pretty looking knot, we have a very secure surgeon's knot. Let's tie this now once more in slow motion. Take the threads and cast the first throw of the reef knot, and then take the thread through once more. Then you're in a position to snug down that first throw of a surgeon's knot. And as you do so, ensure that it lies correctly. Tighten that first throw appropriately. As you can see, it doesn't look very pretty with this thickness of thread. However, repeat the same procedure. 1 throw, as for the reef knot, and then take the thread through a second time, and once again snug down the second throw. And although it looks somewhat cumbersome with threads of this size, it's a very secure knot.